All right, hey, it's John. John here. So I got a new part here. Big shout out to URO Parts for sponsoring this video. So we've got a hardtop carrier for the 500 SL. There's a hardtop I have over there in the atrium on a kind of a rickety wooden one that I made years ago, and they're kind enough to send this for a review, and that's what I'm going to do. And URO Parts is it's a manufacturer of aftermarket parts for a lot of European makes. Yeah, we'll check it out in a minute. They do have a catalog online that you can look at stuff, but it's, you know, every parts place has a URO part. Even Amazon has some URO parts on there, and this is on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so let's get to it. And it's got wheels. Okay, so I have it right like this, where these spacers are here. These nuts are a little hard. This is a 17, and they're pretty long, so I got one of these long, deep. You could do it with a wrench, you know, it's gonna take forever. But I found the trick is you'll have to hold this wheel. They should put that in the instructions, maybe, huh? I figured it out because I'm smart. Yeah, because this whole thing wants to turn like that. So if you hold the wheel, then you can get it good and tight. Yeah. All right. What are these? 14? 14. What's nice about this is you can break it down when you know, if you need the space, you're not using it. Yeah, see, tools required 13, 17, 14. Okay. 17 they got right. And then there's the X one at the very bottom. Don't forget to get that one. Yeah, and it's 14 also. Okay. That's 14 also. See if we got a 14 somewhere. 14, I've got to have one. Got to have one. 15, 12, 12, 12. It's 14 there. So correction on those instructions. 17, 14. I don't think I came across a 13, did I? Nope. Okay. So now we have it together. It's got nice soft padding here, so the back won't get marred up. Yeah. It's got little locking wheels, so your hardtop's not going to go rolling away. All right. I guess the last thing to do is go get the hardtop. See, this is the one that I made out of wood. Okay. Then you got a couple of handles here. This is always so much fun. These weigh about 75 pounds. They're made out of aluminum. I use my foot too. I don't know why it feels so heavy today. I think it's because the heat, you know, all that heat. Roll that under. The joys of owning an SL. It never ends. Okay. Wait, okay, I'm getting it on. Block the wheel. Maybe you could put the brakes on these things so it doesn't move around on you. That's what I would do. That one doesn't have one. I guess there's only 2 of them that have it, maybe. Okay, so, ooh, wow. So for 74 pounds, they just feel heavy. Okay. Hey, yeah. Okay, so usually I like to have it maybe about like that. Let's see how the weight distribution is. Perfect. All right. So there is the new deal. It's pretty good, huh? It's not falling over or anything. Then we got a cover. And imagine it just goes over it. Something like this. Maybe you gotta hang it over the whole thing. I don't know. But so that's the cover right there, huh? Pretty cool. I'm sorry to see you go old wooden dolly thing. I got that at Home Depot. That was 10 years ago. I've been using that for 10 years. Then just undo the brake where it is at. I think it's right here. That. Yeah, I guess there's 2 wheels that have brakes. Yeah. There's one brake. Okay. And then just easily wheel it back into the room of junk. That's what I call it. Great. Yeah, this will fit a lot better through the doorway. It's weird they built this room just for this car. Wow. Rolls much better. But yeah, so there's the top. What do you guys think? Thumbs up. And you just lock the wheels. I should have put the other lock in the front probably, but that's okay. Pay attention to that. Yeah. There. That's not going anywhere. It's good and secure. Bye. Anyways, that's the deal. Yeah, I like it. You know, nothing bad to say about it. Just remember to when you tighten those top bolts for these wheels, hold the wheel, wear a glove if it keeps spinning, to be able to tighten that whole top bolt. 17 millimeter, correct. I really didn't find anything that was 13 there. I don't think I did. Okay. So I give it a big thumbs up, and let's take a look at some of what parts that they offer. Okay. Okay, so if you want to find Euro parts, what they have to offer, just type it into Google, Euro parts, and this comes up. So it's also called Euro Parts Auto Technica, manufactured by APA Industries, and they have all this information on their business, and then you go up here, there's products, and then there's a catalog, so you can go to catalog, make, look at all these different cars. Yeah, I mean, oh, they do Dodge, okay, so yeah, they do all cars, okay, good. Thought it was mostly European, but it's not, so whatever kind of car you've got, check it out and see what they have. So I think this is where I found it. Oh. This is for, let's see, if I type in, this fits your 91 Mercedes, so 126 for the black one. The white one's just like $10 more or something like that. It comes with a cover. I guess this one comes with a cover too. I got the white one because the car's white. Gotta be color coordinated, guys. So I found the same carrier on eBay. Look at the price. So Amazon, yeah, a lot cheaper. Yeah, if you just copy and paste the part number in the Euro catalog, you'll get all these different vendors that have it, and the prices they're all different. Some are high, some are low. I like Amazon because you get things really fast.